All right, we're here back with another video, and primarily I want to talk about holsters. All right, so the perfect holster does not exist. We got a whole bunch of companies out here like Tier 1, T-Rex, and whatever other fucking one you want to bring up. But what they do is they try to go in R&D, research and development, try and pick out certain things that their specific brand wants to cover, and then they design a couple products that solve those problems. But as an individual, you're gonna have to find your perfect holster. So pretty much right now, from my SIG P365, I've come up with this. This holster was originally an eBay special. Got this for about $20-something, and I just made my own improvements as I went along. First thing I do anytime I get a holster, I cut off a lot of the extra plastic right here, round everything out, here. Just make those alterations. Then I usually put one of these little pads, helps you push the handle more into your body. Then, this is the first time I tried this. This is one of the clips from Neomag for their Atlas system. I swear by the system. I'll make a separate video for it. Atlas by Neomag. I don't know if it's kind of faded, but this is pretty much the bracket that I use for my sweatpants and my shorts. You feel me? When I want to carry wearing those. But yeah. So now the idea I had behind this, I wear my gun every day, and I need something that can be adjusted to multiple ride heights. So one screw, and then this particular clip comes with like a shaft. It's not like drilled out like individual holes. You have this whole like thing right here is drilled out already. So that allows me, if I want to, I can just take a regular screwdriver, unscrew that screw, and now I can change the ride height. You feel me? And I was like, this is one of probably the best ideas I ever had regarding, you know what I'm saying, everyday carry. Because we all have that problem where different clothes just fit different on us. And when we connect our holster to our belt, regular holsters only have this one fixation point. You feel me? Like right at this area, and then the gun's gonna be floating that high, or say. Now with this, I can change that ride height depending on what I'm wearing. If I want to go deep concealment, I just move it up, and it's very deep. If I'm wearing regular jeans, regular ride height. If I'm wearing something I want a little bit higher, I can do that, but that's really not what I made this for. Pretty much I want it to sit lower, or as low as physically possible I can draw the gun. So I just came up with that little thing right there. I don't really see anybody else on YouTube talking about shit like this, so I just decided to put this on there. The perfect holster doesn't exist until you make it. You feel me? And this one is not perfect, but it is near perfect. I might add some different alterations. This is like version 3 right now. I did leave this claw on because in certain situations it is used. Usually what you want to do with your claw, you want it to be at the same height as your clip or your your little clips that you put on here. You feel me? So it'll get that max turn in to turn that handle, the handle of the gun, into your body more. With the jeans and clothes I wear, this still is utilized just by being against the fabric or the belt or whatever I wear. It's still in use, so I keep it on there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's very simple. You can buy these clips on eBay by themselves for the Atlas system. They're like $14, $15 each. And I'll pretty much make another video about the Atlas bracket I have right there soon. So pretty much my little review of it. So here it is. You guys can copy it if you want to. I ain't gonna leave no links. Like I said, if you want to find it, everything on this is on eBay. From this little cushion in the back, I mean, it's called a wedge. Yeah, this little wedge to this clip, the Atlas clip, it's like $15. And this holster was like $20-something. It was for the SIG X Macro with the Streamlight TLR7A. So if you want to try this out, I just gave you the keys. Go do it. I'm out.